Hi guys! Welcome to AllAboutRITZ YouTube, and this is Ann. Inspired akong maglinis. Inspired akong gumawa ng bagong video.
So this video is about cleaning. Yeah, specifically we're cleaning the oven because most of us
All over the world, we are just staying home, and we're thinking what we're gonna do while we're staying home.
why not to clean up? We have a lot of things to do.
While we're home, clean, organize, discovering new skills, or maybe making a new dish, cook something new for family. So one thing that we can do while we're home is we can clean that oven. I admit myself, if you're gonna see that later, my oven is dirty. Well, I like to cook and bake, so most of the time I don't have so much time to clean that, but this time is the best time to clean it. So without further ado, I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna use and how I clean my oven. Alright, we'll see you later guys. So yun na nga, ang marami kong event. Ready na ba kayo? 1, 2, 3. Tada! Oh my god. This is how dirty my oven is. Well, because it's been a long time that I haven't cooked. And then I really have to clean this one. First thing is we're gonna take this out. Tanggalin natin ito lahat. We're gonna take this out. We're gonna take this out. Okay. Take this out. And we're gonna clean this one as guys. My kitchen. You can judge me now. It's dirty. Really need to clean up. Let's just clean the bottom, but here it's not that dirty over here. It's just this bottom. I'm so excited to clean this, and I'm so excited what it's gonna look like later. So yeah, let's clean. Let's start it. Spray. I'm gonna use this spray, and then you need vinegar. We're gonna spray natin yan lahat doon. We're gonna spray this one. We're gonna put the baking soda. This is gonna be look like, and we're gonna let it sit like an hour or more, maybe an hour or two. I just like to put like maybe let's set a timer for an hour, and we're gonna scrape that one later. We're gonna put this on the bathtub. We're gonna soak into hot water and put a baking soda and a dishwasher liquid. Okay, so in the tub we got hot water. Yeah, be sure it's a hot water. We're gonna soak into some hot water. Put this baking soda. So we're waiting for our timer. We're gonna mix a cup of baking soda and 1/2 cup of white vinegar, cleaning white vinegar in a bowl. Baking soda and white vinegar, and using your old toothbrush that you don't use. So we're gonna clean. You're thinking how to clean this thing, like this dirty thing on your faucet, yung mga yellowish stuff sa faucet niyo. How you could clean this stuff, how you could clean this. All I have to do is just get this mixture, mix this one, and dip it to your bowl, and then brush it around your faucet. And it is safe too. It's a chemical free and easy to find because you can always grab it from your kitchen. Just vinegar and soda. And this yellow stain around your faucet. After 1 hour, linisin na natin ito. And some tips, you can use this lemon to clean this one. Kung wala kang baking soda or vinegar, pwede lemon. Dito, lilinis mo siya. Shiny and less chemical and easy to find. Just find. And there's no yellowish. That's a sink because earlier I have.
Alright guys, so yeah, that's one thing that you can do while you're home and while you're
self-quarantine and you don't know what to do, so you can clean your oven. Easy. So after all this cleaning, I decided to cook. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please comment if you like to see more. I will meet you next time. Take care out there and have a blessed day.